Hi, let's have a look at how to use GitHub user interface to edit some arbitrary text. Let's open 0HR and then let's open 0HR website here. Suppose we need to change this text. So to do that, we will search. Oops. We'll search for this text. I didn't copy it. And we will have two things here. One thing is in the old website and one thing in the new website. So we ignore the old website. We only care about the new website, web new. So then we go here. We edit this by clicking here. Yeah. Yeah, we click edit and then we click Ctrl F or Command F, whatever you're using. In my case it's slash, but whatever. I don't know why I didn't find. Maybe we have to click here and click Ctrl F here. Okay, so the global search will not find you the text. We have to use this editor. And then let's say we want to rephrase this. Let's write a new text. Basically, the only risk is that we'll mess up the markup, but like the secret is to just not mess up the markup. And then we write use an automated task to ensure the right fit. And funnily enough, it's like actually it's actually nicer. Maybe use our novel automated, something like this. Then we delete this. And actually another interesting thing is that you may want to click inspect here and then kind of just see how it'll look. Actually, ensure is better because we have to always stay in the problem solution framework and in the previous text the solution was very clear: problem, solution, problem, and then ensure blah blah blah. Yeah, I think I clicked get. Oh no, actually. That's a very funny bounding box for the button. Anyway. So we changed it here. We used once again inspect. Then we clicked here and we double clicked here to change it to what we want. And then basically after we changed this, I think we can click, yeah, we click commit. We just say create new branch. Then we write something like tidy up landing. And another thing that we do is we insert the day when it was proposed, and we normally also insert the user who proposed it. We normally use informative commit messages. So the problem we're solving is, landing too wordy, and solution is make it shorter, and we can add like something like additional consideration. Does this patch maintain a problem like business problem orientation, marketing best practice. Okay, so we click propose changes, and now we're getting dropped. What the fuck? Excuse me? I do not want to propose changes in one branch. I want to just commit. What the fuck? I'm sorry for this. That was cringe. Good thing we copied the text somewhere. Commit changes. Create new. 2024. This is why we use computers, like not browsers, to do this stuff. Tidy landing. Yeah, so it seems like there is no way to create a multi-commit branch, which is something that I wanted to suggest. So basically here every commit will be, you know, a new pull request, which is fine. It's a bit noisy and annoying, but it's okay. Oh no, hold on. Actually, problem landing too wordy. Solution. Start with tidying up the hook. Perhaps it loses a bit of business problem orientation. Okay, so we created a pull request, and here we can write, if it's still work in progress, we can write work in progress here. Oops. I think there may be. Yeah, let's just create a new label. Yeah, we can add work in progress, and people will know not to merge your pull request. So we create pull request. And now the funny thing is that after this is created, now all the developers will know that this is like a, you know, a work in progress, and you can go back to your landing page. It was falling objects. .tsx. Huh. Anyway. Maybe it wasn't. I don't know. It was. What the fuck? No, it wasn't. Anyway, we can click here. We will see the file we were changing. Falling.tsx. Okay. So we can click. Fucking hell. We can click view file maybe. And then here we can find our fucking hell, mate. Fucking hell. Yeah, so it actually didn't lose our work. It didn't lose our work. So the branch that we got freaked out by pull request is still here, which is great, by the way. So, but anyway, tidy landing is the one where we're actually working. So we can now, let's say we want to add more changes to our work in progress pull request. let's say we want to change this sentence for some reason. By the way, this is not limited to a single file. I want to clarify this. So let's say we want to change, I don't know, this. Let's say we want to change this. So we go to testimonials, and we switch to, this is very important, we switch to the branch we are working on, and then we change here with, again, edit file, and then here instead of lurk lab accelerant John Burnham accelerant or something. Fucking hell. ACC it was called. Fuck me. Argument. It's not accelerant, it's argument. Argument, lurklab liatima. Very funny, but okay. Digital human rights. Am I a digital human? Do I have rights? Anyway. How do I use computer? So we then, are we editing? Yeah, add argument. And then we click commit changes, and then it says commit directly to blah blah blah. And we write problem, John, problem lurk lab was renamed again. Solution, use argument as the name of the company, which is the most up-to-date name. So now, after we commit changes here, we can go to our pull request, and we will see that our pull request has this commit now as well. And now that our work is done, we can remove whip here, and then we can remove whip here, and then bish bash bosh, click fucking hell, click save, and then our pull request is ready to be considered by developers for a merge. Nothing too complicated, nothing too too crazy. Very, very easy, if you ask me. Not like obviously you have to, basically this is a communication tool, right? So obviously you have to communicate your desire to update some shit on the website. But there is no need to be scared of this, because consider the alternative. The alternative would be to create a Google Doc, right? And to write that you want to replace this sentence with this sentence with this sentence, and blah blah blah, and so on and so on. So then you remove automation from everything, right? And you create errors, because your developers, they kind of normally they are less, obviously there are differences between people, and we are very blessed with having developers who actually understand business reasons for things. But very often developers just kind of don't give a shit, and like you give them a fucking Google Doc, they hate you already, and then they will just do what they can to follow the stuff that's written in your Google Doc. And God forbid you ask them on private messages to change something. It may never happen. this way you address all of these issues. So all your changes, if they don't break anything, they will be automatically merged and deployed to production. So there is no need to do double work at all. And there is also, with a pull request, there's a colossal transparency. So anyone in the company can, have a look at files changed and understand, okay, we see what's going on. So I will close this pull request. Fucking hell, close pull request, just so that it doesn't spam stuff. But yeah, that's how you work Git. Short 15-minute video. I hope that it will be helpful.